My name is Rafael. I'm the corporate regional director to Croatia and for some other countries in this side of Europe, Romania, Hungary, and so on. I think that we made a strategic decision to try and to see what can be helpful for Croatia at this time. And I think that we found out that there may be three main topics. I believe that the first one should be, or might be, the air defense, to look at the air defense as a comprehensive solution to cover all the spectrum, starting from the very low level the very low layer that becomes very influential at lastly, which I mean is the threat of the drones, and we have designed a new solution against this threat of the drones. It is an emerging threat around the world, not only for defense aspects, but from any home security, airports and so on, as we have learned with experience of the UK, both in Heathrow and in Gatwick airports. And we have a solution that covers the identification, the classification of what kind of threat we are dealing with. Then we can use radar and to jam it with a jammer, with a very sophisticated jammer, let's say. And we have even a termination solution based on a very sophisticated laser and very powerful laser for long distance that can destroy either the drone itself, or if we would like to destroy the camera, or if we would like to destroy any other part of or subsystem of the drone itself, it is possible. This is called a drone dome. It is already acquired by the UK, and it was got a lot of publication during the events at Gatwick. And then it was published that it was already in use, although it was not the case, because at that time we haven't even started to deliver the system to the UK, which is currently under delivery these days. We have the full spectrum solutions against all kinds of aircrafts, starting with UAVs, small UAVs, going to helicopters and other kinds of aircraft, which we call a Spider. It has solutions from very short range, medium range, and long range, based on two kinds of missiles, both RF and IR missiles. And we give the full solution, starting with the launchers, the missiles, of course, the radars. If we don't want to use radar, then we can use a very powerful electro-optical solution if we don't want to be exposed by the radar. And we, by using the same kind of missiles for all the applications, for all the ranges, by adding a booster in order to get the longer ranges. So this is one thing that I believe it is very important, and we can have a lot of contribution, or give a lot of contribution to all of our customers, and especially to Croatia at this time at those times. The other things that we would like to be involved is when there is a decision about the new aircraft, Rafael is able to provide a full solution a full suite of solutions, starting with air-to-air missiles. By the way, the same missiles that we use for air defense, so you keep the commonality for air-to-air and air defense. And this is the first solution, and both we have RF and IR solutions, and then going through air-to-surface missile or munitions that are very accurate for standoff ranges, and ending by electro-optical pods for navigation and for surveillance. And I believe the third thing, which is already on the move, is the anti or the tactical missiles that can once more keep the commonality between the Air Force, the Army, and the Navy by using the Spike family of tactical missiles starting from 2 kilometers up to 30 kilometers that can be used both for attacking helicopters, for the infantry in the army, and for armored vehicles, ending by naval applications that you can use for surface-to-surface missiles, or from the shore against ships, or from the ships to the shore. So I think that are very sophisticated, keeps a commonality, and gives some kind of an edge that no one else other than Rafael can bring to Croatia these days. The launchers are the same launchers, whether you use it for infantry, or you use it for helicopters, or you use it for naval application. Of course, you have to do the adjustment according to environmental requirements. Otherwise, these are the same launchers. The way you integrate the launchers, of course, is different from this application or another, but we use the commonality. The commonality is not only of the missiles, the commonality goes to the launchers. So, from the cost-effective, from commonality, I think this is the right solution. Rafael is well known not only of the ways that we bring very good and very experienced battle-proven systems all over the world, but the support, or the kind of support that we bring to the customer, the kind of technology transfer that we usually comes with our solution, it is something that should be considered as an additional capabilities that we give to our customers. This is the way Rafael do business, and this is what we offer here in Croatia.